Hello everyone once again. Are you confused in a relationship to commit when the time has come for you to get married, especially when you are in a relationship from past many years and there was a commitment for a long term relationship? So it has been very commonly observed that when the time comes for marriage and time not for the lifetime, girls and boys are really getting afraid to commit to that same partner with whom they were in a relationship for many years. So let us understand why this is happening. Recently, I have counseled young boys and girls, and I have observed that there was no transparency in the relationship. Though youngsters claim to be, being very open minded and not following the old age customs and traditions, but then when it comes to expectations from the partner, they still are fearful of what their parents would say and how they would respond to any expectation that the partner may have from the family members. Another reason that I have commonly observed why they are not willing to get married or they are confused is because it's not about expectations only, it's about the freedom that they fear of losing once they get married. So the question now comes is, are you fearing the freedom that will be lost after marriage, or is it that you are not willing to accept all the primary responsibilities as a bride or a groom after marriage? Because all those years that you have dated and were in a relationship, I have observed that they have hardly talked about how situations and circumstances will be after marriage. So now when the time has come for you to get married, there is a lot of restlessness, confusion and fear and other ancillary emotions that are really bothering the younger generation. So think about it twice. Don't plunge into a relationship or don't break up without understanding each other more now from a different perspective. I hope this helps all those youngsters who are at a marriageable age and are about to get married but are still confused and fearful. Thank you so much for listening to me.